Hello guys. Today we will share the story of Steven. He is a reputed businessman. Recently, he is facing difficulties working on his cracked screen MacBook Pro. What's now? What Steven should do with your damaged laptop? Consulting his issues with one of his friends and came to know about iTech Xpress. It is a certified Apple product repair service store available near Steven in Glendora. He visit the store with his damaged laptop. Their expert technicians thoroughly check his device, find out the actual repair of screen damage, provide a free estimate. Once he approve, they replace the screen within 24 hours. Steven is now happy. He get his device in proper working condition and have to pay quite affordable charges for that.